Hello students, today we are going to discuss more topics, more short tricks on trigonometry. Let us start. What is value of 3 sin theta minus cos theta whole 4 plus 6 sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta equals to, what will be its value? Suppose option given 10, 11, 12, 13. Which one will be correct? 3 within bracket sin theta minus cos theta power 4 plus 6 sin theta plus cos theta power 2 plus 4 within bracket sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta equals to option given 10, 11, 12, 13. Without breaking it, we can easily solve value of it. How? Put theta equals to 0. If we put theta equals to 0, this will be reduced to sin 0, 0 minus cos 0, 1 plus 6 sin 0, 0 cos 0, 1 plus 4 sin 0, 0 cos 0, 1 equal to 3 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 13. So option D is correct. If we put theta equals to 90, what will happen? It is true for every value of theta. So put theta equals to 90, 3 sin 91 cos 90 0 plus 6 sin 90 1 cos 90 0 plus 4 sin 91 plus cos 90 0 equals to 3 plus 6 plus 4, same result 13. So by putting theta equals to 45, we will get 13. By putting theta equals to 30, result will be same, that is 13. So if we put theta or 0, result will be same. So don't need to open the bracket or to break it. Just replace theta by 0 to get answer. Next. Suppose root, we are given cosec square alpha minus 2 cot alpha plus cosec square alpha plus 2 cot alpha, cosec square alpha plus 2 cot alpha. What will be its value? Suppose option given 2 minus 2 cot alpha minus 2 cot alpha. 4 options are given. Try yourself. Under root cosec square alpha minus 2 cot alpha plus under root cosec square alpha minus 2 cot alpha equal to 2 minus 2 cot alpha minus 2 cot alpha. If we put alpha equal to 90, don't replace alpha by 0. Why? Cot 0 equal to cos 0 by sin 0. Sin 0 undefined for alpha equal to 0. Cot means cos by sin. Sin 0 undefined. That is why don't put alpha equals to 0. Put alpha equals to 90. Cosec square 90, sin 91, cosec 90 also 1 minus cot 90 0. Cot 90 means cos by sin, cos 90 0. So this will be 0 plus 1 plus 2 cot alpha 0. 1 plus 1 2. So answer will be 2. Next. Before replacing alpha or theta, you have to make sure that for that value sin theta or cos theta is not undefined. If we put alpha equals to 0 for particular value of, for particular this value, cosec alpha is undefined. Why? Cosec alpha means 1 by sin alpha, sin 0 0, so it will be undefined. So you have to make sure that for that value cosec alpha or cot alpha or tan alpha is well defined. Otherwise this process will not be effective. Next, sin x minus cos x plus 1 by sin x plus cos x minus 1. What will be its value? Suppose option given sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x. Second option sec x minus tan x, sec x minus tan x. C sec square x plus tan square x. D none. We are given sin x minus cos x plus 1 upon sin x plus cos x minus 1. 4 options are given. Which one will be correct? Same procedure. If we replace x by 45 degree, we are replacing x by 45 degree. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So sin x equals to, we have assumed x equal to 45. This is true for every value of x if denominator be defined for that particular value of x. Suppose x equal to 45, then this will take the form sin 45 minus cos 45 plus 1 upon sin 45 plus cos 45 plus 1. Sin 45 cos 45 equal, they cancel each other. This will be 1 upon 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 equals to 1 by 2 by root 2 means root 2 plus 1. After simplification, this will be root 2 minus 1. So value of it for x equal to 45, root 2 minus 1. Now which option will provide root 2 minus 1 when x will be replaced by 45 degree? Now if we put x equal to 45 degree in option 1, what will happen? Suppose we are replacing x by 45 degree, then option A will be sec 45. What is value of sec 45? Root 2. This will be root 2, and tan 45 1. So option A not correct. Now replace x by 45 in option B. This will be sec 45 means root 2 minus 1. So this is identical to root 2 minus 1. So option B will be correct. So without simplifying, we can easily find value of it. Just replacing x by a particular value. Select the value for which calculation will be easier. If we take x equal to 30 degree, in that case our result will be same, but method will be very much laborious and time consuming. So avoid x equal to 30 degree or 60 degree. What will happen if we put x equal to 90 degree? Sin 91, 1 plus 1, 2, cos 90, 0, by sin 91, 1 minus 1, 0, cos 90, 0. So it is undefined. That is why x is not replaced by 90 degree. We have selected x equal to 45 degree to avoid 0 at denominator. Mind it. Next, let us try another one from previous class, lecture 1. I had told you this formula a sin theta. In lecture 1 it was discussed, when a sin theta plus b cos theta equals to given c, then b sin theta minus a cos theta will be plus minus root a square plus b square minus c square. How will you prove it? If we assume this equal to x, then squaring and adding, we can easily prove this equals to this. Now, application of this formula, I am giving you 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta equal to 5. It is given. You have to find 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. What will be its value? Apply this formula. A sin theta plus b cos theta equal to given. We need b sin theta. This is b, this is a. Now a, compare it to it. Then we can say a equals to 3, b equals to 5 and c equals to c also 5. So put value will be plus minus a square. A means 3, 3 square plus b means 5, 5 square minus c square. So plus minus 3. Next, if exist, find its maximum and minimum value. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. If exist, find maximum and minimum value of this. Now this can be written as sin square theta within bracket 1 minus sin square theta and 1 minus sin square theta minus sin 4 theta. So 1 minus sin square theta. Sum is given sin square theta minus sin 4 theta. If exist, find maximum and minimum value. We have taken common sin square theta. It will be reduced to 1 minus sin square theta. Again, we have 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. So sin square theta into cos square theta. It can be written 1 by 4 into sin square 2 theta. Now minimum value of it 0, being a square, it cannot be negative. Sin square 2 theta, range of sin square 2 theta, more than equal to 0, less than equal to 1. Being square, it cannot be negative. That is why its minimum value 0. So minimum of the given expression will be 0. 1 by 4 into 0, 0. And maximum value of sin square 2 theta 1. 1 multiplied by 1 by 4 will give 1 by 4. So maximum 1 by 4, minimum 0. Now remember, sin to the power nx, cos to the power nx. Minimum value 0 when n even, and minimum value minus 1 by 2n when n odd, and for both cases maximum value 1 by 2 power n. Very very important formula. Suppose we are asked to find maximum and minimum value of it. We can write, this can be rewritten like this: 1 by 2 power 4 sin 4 2 theta. Now minimum value of it 0, so minimum value will be 0. So minimum 0 when n even, this is even. Now maximum of it 1, so maximum will be 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 16. So maximum equal to 1 by 2n. Let us take another example. Sin 5 theta multiplied by cos 5 theta. We can write it as 1 upon 2 power 5 sin 5 2 theta. Minimum of sin 2 theta minus 1, it is odd. So range of sin 2 theta will be more than equal to minus 1, less than equal to 1. That is why its minimum value will be minus 1. So its minimum will be minus 2 power 4. Now minimum minus 1 by 2n. N equals to 5. So minimum minus 1 to 5. Maximum value 1. So maximum will be 1 by 2n means 1 by 25. This is minimum value and maximum will be, this is 1. So maximum will be 1 by 2 power 4 or 1 upon 32. This will be maximum and minus 1 by 32 will be minimum value. This is minimum and this is maximum. Let us try another one. 3 cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus 9 tan theta. What will be its minimum value? We can't find its maximum value. Now, we have discussed in previous class AM of certain quantities more than equal to their GM. GM means geometric means, AM means arithmetic means. Now, there are 3 numbers. So, what will be their AM? Sum by total number 3 cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus 9 tan theta upon 3. This is their AM. Now what will be their GM? GM of 3 quantities will be product power 1 by 3. Take first product of the 3 numbers. There are 3 numbers, so their GM will be, let 3 numbers be x, y, z. Now what will be their GM? Their GM will be x, y, z power 1 by 3. Now x means 3 cos theta, put 3 cos theta into y means 1 upon sin theta, z means 9 tan theta. Tan theta means what will be tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta power 1 by 3. Now cos cancel, sin 9 into 3 27 power 1 by 3 equals to 3 cube into 1 by 3 equals to 3. So GM of the given numbers 3. 3 into 3 9. 3 cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus 9 tan theta greater than equal to 9. So its minimum value, we can forecast its minimum value 9, but maximum value cannot be predicted, as its range 9 to infinity. Its range 9 to infinity. So we cannot say its maximum value, but we can say its minimum value 9. Let us try another this type of problem. Suppose we are given 4 sin theta plus 1 by cos theta plus 16 cot theta. Find its minimum value. What will be its minimum value? AM of the given 3 numbers 4 sin theta plus 1 by cos theta plus 16 cot theta. This is AM by 3. Now GM will be cube root of their product 4 sin theta into 1 by cos theta into 16 cot theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta, cos theta, cos theta. So cube root of 64 equal to 4. So GM 4. Now AM greater than equal to GM. So 4 sin theta plus 1 by cos theta plus 16 cot theta greater than equal to, this is 3 into 4, 12. So minimum value, its minimum value will be 12. 3, this by 3 more than equal to 4, 3 into 4, 12. So minimum value 12. We cannot say what will be its maximum value. Next, sin square 27 degree plus sin square 63 degree. What will be its value? It will be equal to 1. Why? Sin square theta plus sin square 90 minus theta equal to sin square theta plus sin 90 minus theta cos theta. We have formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. That is why sin square theta plus sin square 90 minus theta equals to 1. Now this is compare it to this. Theta equals to 27, theta equals to 27. So 90 minus theta equal to 90 minus 27 equal to nothing but 63. So sin square 27 plus sin square 90 minus 27 means sin square 63. So this will be equal to 1. So if this plus this be 90 and both in the form of sin square, then value of this plus this will be 1. Suppose sin square 20. We are asked to find sin square 20 plus sin square 70. Now 70 plus 20, 70 plus 20 equal to 90 and both sin square. So its value will be 1. Both should be sin square. If one be sin square, another be cos square, then this will not be equal to 1. Either both sin square or both cos square. Suppose cos square 25 degree plus cos square 65 degree. Now it is also 1 as 65 plus 25. Whenever 65 these two, sum of these two angles be 90, then cos square that angle plus cos square another angle should be equal to 1. But both should be either cos square or sin square and their sum should be equal to 90. 65 plus 25, 90. So this plus this equals to 90. So we have formula sin square theta plus sin square 90 minus theta 1 or cos square theta plus cos square 90 minus theta also 1. Next tricks. Find value of sin square 5 degree plus sin square 10 degree plus sin square 15 degree plus so on up to sin square 90 degree. What will be its value? First find number of terms. Number of terms. Can you find number of terms? To find number of terms, use this rule. Last term, which is 90, minus first term, which is equal to 5, by difference. Difference plus 5 plus 5, so difference will be 5 plus 1. Why we have added plus 1? We have subtracted 5, but 5 is there. That is why we have added 1. 85 by 5, 17. 85 by 5, 17 plus 1, 18. So there are 18 terms. So to find number of terms, use last term, last minus first by difference, difference plus 1. Last 90, first 5. So number of terms 18. Now pair these terms 5, 85. Why? 5 plus 85 equal to 90. Pair those terms whose sum will be angle, sum of the angles will be 90. 5 plus 85, 90. Similarly, 10, 80 will be 90. Now, how many pairs will be? 5 means sin square 5. 85 means sin square 85. We have formula sin square theta plus sin square 90 minus theta equals to 1. That is why we have to make pair with 5 and 85. So this bracket, value of each bracket will be 1. According to this rule, value of each bracket 5 comma 85 means sin square 5 plus sin square 85. By this rule, this will be 1. Similarly, if theta equals to 10, then sin square 10 plus sin square 80 also 1. So value of each bracket will be 1. Now how many brackets are there? We can't include 90 in this bracket. Why? If we include 90, then we need 0, but there is no term of sin square 0. So exclude 90 from this system. So we are remaining number of terms. We have remaining terms 18 minus 1 as we have excluded 90. Again, there is 45, but 45 we can't put 45 here as 45 comma 45 will be 90, but there is single 45 degree term. That is why we have to exclude 45 degree, sin square 45 degree and sin square 90 degree. So remaining number of terms 18 minus 2 equal to 16. So we are left 16 terms. So there will be 16 for each. To make each bracket we need 2 terms. So there will be 8 brackets. There will be 8 brackets. We cannot keep sin square 45 degree and sin square 90 degree in this form or in bracket. Why? To keep sin 45 degree, we need another 45 degree term, but there is single 45 degree term. Again, to keep sin square 90 degree in this bracket, we need sin square 0, but there is no term of sin square 0. So we have excluded sin square 45 degree and sin square 90 degree from total number of terms. So we are left only 16 terms. So there will be 16 divided by 2 equal to 8 brackets, and each bracket, value of each bracket 1. So value of 8 brackets will be 8 into 1. Value of each bracket 1. So value of 8 brackets will be 8 into 1. Why value of each bracket 1? According to this rule, sin square theta plus sin square 90 minus theta equal to 1. That is why value of each bracket 1. So total value 8. Now 8 plus, we have to add these two terms, sin square 91 plus sin square 45 degree half. So 9 and half. So our answer will be 9 and half. Let us try another one. Sin square 2 degree plus sin square 4 degree plus sin square 6 degree plus so on up to sin square 90 degree. How many terms are there? Can you say total number of terms? Anyone? Total number of terms will be last term, which is 90, minus first term by difference. There is gap of 2. So divide by 2 plus 1. We have excluded this, but 2 is there, that is why we have to add plus 1. 88 by 2, 44 plus 1 equal to 45. So there are 45 terms. Now we can pair taking 288, 2 means sin square 2 plus sin square 88, again 4 with 86, 6 with 84, so on. But we can't put 90 in this system. We need 0. There is no term of sin square 0. So we have to exclude one term from total number of terms, 44. With 44 terms, we can form 22 brackets. So there will be 22 brackets. Each bracket, value of each bracket 1 by this rule, sin square 2 plus sin square 88, sin square 2 degree plus sin square 88 degree equal to 1. Why? 88 plus 2, 90 degree. So sin square 2 plus sin square 88, 1. Similarly, sin square 4 plus sin square 86, 86 plus 4, 90. It is also 1. So value of each bracket 1. There are 22 brackets. So value will be 22. Now we have to add sin square 90. Value of sin square 91. So 22 plus 1 equal to 23. So our answer will be 23. One more of this type. Sin square 1 degree plus sin square 3 degree plus sin square 5 degree plus sin square 89 degree. What will be its value? Number of terms will be last term, which is equal to 89, minus first term by difference. There is a gap of 2, so divide it by 2 plus 1. 88 by 2, 44, plus 1 equal to 45. So there are 45 terms. Now make brackets taking 1 and 89. Why? 1 plus 89, 90 degrees, sin square 1 plus sin square 89 will be 1. By our rule, 3 with 87, so on. Now in this system we have 45 degree, but we cannot keep 45 degree in bracket. We cannot form bracket taking 45 degree. Why? We need another 45 to make it 90. 45 plus 45, 90, but there is single term of sin square 45 degree. So exclude 45 degree, sin square 45 degree from this system. So we are left 45 minus 1, 44 terms. To make bracket we need 2 terms, so there will be 22 brackets. Value of each bracket 1, sin square 1 plus sin square 89 1, 1 plus 89 90, sin square 3 plus sin square 87, sin square 3 degree plus sin square 87 degree. 87 plus 3 90, that is why this will be 1. So value of each bracket 1. There are 22 brackets. Total value will be 22. 22 plus sin square 45. So 22 plus half will be 22 and half. So value of it will be 22 and half degree. Next one. Find minimum value of a sec theta minus b tan theta. Suppose a greater than b. Its minimum value will be root a square minus b square. Suppose we are given 17 sec theta minus 8 tan theta. What will be its minimum value? 17 sec theta minus 8 tan theta. By this rule, its minimum value will be 17 square minus 8 square. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 into 9, 5 into 3, 15. So minimum value will be 15. Similarly, a sec theta plus b tan theta, its minimum value also this, a cosec theta minus b cot theta, minimum value a square minus b square. A cosec theta plus b cot theta also minimum value under root a square minus b square. What will be minimum value of 40 cosec theta minus 9 cot theta? This will be, by this rule, a equals to, compare it to this. So a will be 40, a will be 40 and B will be 9. Put minimum value a square minus b square. So a equal to 40 square minus 9 square equal to 41. Sorry, suppose this is 41 and this is 9. So 41 9, 41 square 1681 minus 81, 1600 equal to under root 1600 will be 40. So its minimum value will be 40. Now how will you prove it that its minimum value is under root a square minus b square given a greater than b? Let x equals to a sec theta minus b tan theta. Now transpose b tan theta here. So we have x plus b tan theta equals to a sec theta. Squaring x plus b tan theta whole square equal to a square sec square theta, or sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, x square plus 2bx tan theta plus b square tan square theta equals to a square into 1 plus tan square theta. Rearrange the terms and try to write it in quadratic of tan theta. So tan square theta b square minus a square, b square minus a square plus 2bx tan theta plus x square minus a square equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in tan theta. Tan theta will be real if discriminant be more than equal to 0. What will be its discriminant? Tan theta, coefficient of tan theta 2bx. So d will be b square, b means 2bx, b square minus 4ac, a means b square minus a square, and c means x square minus a square more than equal to 0, or 4b square x square more than equal to 4 into b square minus a square x square minus a square. 4 cancel, b square x square more than equal to b square x square minus a square b square minus a square x square plus a power 4. b square x square cancel. So a square x square more than equal to a square x square more than equal to, we are taking a square common, a square minus b square. Now a square cancel. So x square, so we have x square greater than equal to a square minus b square. So x more than equal to root a square minus b square. So minimum value of it under root a square minus b square given a more than b. Similarly, we can prove minimum value of a cosec theta minus b cot theta also this. Another question. Suppose 1 plus tan 1 degree, 1 plus tan 2 degree, 1 plus tan 3 degree, 1 plus tan 45 degree. Given this equal to 2 to the power x, what will be value of x? 20, 21, 22, 23, none. Suppose another option, none. Which one will be correct? We have formula. In previous class, we had discussed 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals to 2, provided A plus B equals to 45 degree. Now 1 plus tan 1 into 1 plus tan 44, 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 44 degree equals to 1 plus tan 1 and its previous term 1 plus tan 45 degree. Multiplying it with this, we will have this into this equal to 2. Similarly, 2 and 43 will also be 2. 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 43 degree, also 2. 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 43 degree, also 2. Now 1 plus tan 3 degree into 1 plus tan 42 degree, also 2. Multiplying, we will have 2 into 2 into 2 up to 23 terms. So value of it will be 2 power 23. This into this equals to 2. Again 2 and 43, 2, 3 with 42, also 2. Similarly, 1 plus tan 4, 1 plus tan 41 degree, also 2. So multiplying 2 into 2, 23 up to 23 terms. So this will be 2 power 23. So value of x will be 23. Thank you for being with me.